In this video, we'll look at the AI aircraft in DCS World. You can change the loadouts to change the missions. Here they are on one airport on the Normandy coast. There are 56 of them. Beautiful aircraft. Now we're going to look at them one at a time. First is the F4E. You have to select Turkey or Israel to find the F4E. Here's the B-17G, which is for our World War II Normandy map. The Tornado GR4 is found when you select the UK. The Mi-28N helicopter, followed by the monstrous Mi-26. Hiding behind the Mi-26 is the Mi-24V. With the rotor blades all stacked up is a Ka-27. UH-60A. SH-60B. The small Bell, the OH-58D. The CH-53E. CH-47D. A couple of Apaches, the AH-64D and the AH-64A. A Cobra, the AH-1W. A small airliner, the Yak-40. The big long-range Tu-95MS. Tu-22M3. The white aircraft is a Tu-160. Now you can see the Su-34, which is a two-seat side-by-side variant based on the Su-27 flanker, modernized of course. Another modernized variant of the flanker is the Su-30. Su-25TM. A couple of Su-24s, the Su-24MR and the Su-24M. And the beautiful paint job, an Su-27M4. The MiG-31. MiG-27K. A couple of MiG-25s. The MiG-25RBT. And the MiG-25PD. Here's the smaller MiG-23 MLD. The humongous IL-78M. And the IL-76MD. Two smaller aircraft hiding behind the IL-76. We have the AN-30M and the AN-26B. The big AWACS is the A-50. Hiding behind it are a couple of U.S. naval aircraft, the S-3B tanker, there you go, and the S-3B. A couple of drones, the MQ-9 Reaper and the MQ-1A Predator. The first KC-135 is the MPRS with the wing pods. Then a regular KC-135. KC-130. Here's a Hawk. We have an FA-18C and an F-5E, and these were in the AI inventory before we had the flyable aircraft. Pretty paint on the F-16C. F-16A. Here comes the Strike Eagle, F-15E. The F-14A Tomcat. The F-117A Stealth Fighter. The U.S. Airwax, the E-3A. The E-2D. C-17A. Takes a while to go over this one, doesn't it? Then there's a C-130, a B-52H Buff. At the end of the line is a B-1B. In the distance, you can see Las Vegas coming into view. And now we're going to switch over to an edited version of a battle between 4 Su-30s against 4 F-16Cs. So the AI program will detect hostile aircraft and let them go at it. This will be over the Caucasus map, the Black Sea, just south of Sochi. please like and subscribe, and click on the link that will be up shortly to see the video showing all of the beautiful DCS World aircraft at the start of 2019. I bet you're anxious to get your hands on the F-16 just like I am.